Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a New Year's picture. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artists, today we're doing the last drawing of the year. This year has been fantastic and I wanna thank you for your support. Today we're gonna use pencil and a marker for this picture, and we're gonna start with the marker and then we switch to pencil. We're gonna start with the baby. I wanna do first the face, starting with a smile. We're gonna put here a U shape and I'm going from the center of the paper a little bit to the left. Next we're gonna do the eyes with two oval shapes. They are little and I'm going to fill them with black. Now we're gonna do the eyebrows and we're gonna do a rectangle shape with really round corners. And before we finish the face, we're gonna do the arms that are down here, kind of like closing a little bit. Underneath the mouth, I'm gonna do an oval shape that is going to the left. And then we're gonna do one more in behind this one that goes to the right, a little bit diagonal. So a part of this oval is in behind. Now let's do the cheeks. We're gonna do a curve that goes up to the left and I stop at the eye level. So the same here. And from these lines, we're gonna do the ears with a C shape and a C shape. And from this, we're gonna close the head from side to side. So I'm gonna go over the eyebrows, around, and connect to the other side. And to finish, we're gonna do a couple lines inside. The very last thing for this baby, we're gonna do 1 and 2 curves to put some hair on his head. Now let's continue down here with the diaper. We're gonna leave a space right here and we're gonna do a upside down triangle. And it's a small. Okay, that's the diaper. And now we're gonna do the legs that are a little crossed. So we're gonna do 2 sideways oval shapes. One here and the other one. Oval shape and down here. And if you still have room in between the arms and the legs, let's join that. And in the middle here, we're gonna put a little dot for the belly button. Okay, that's it for the baby. Now let's change to pencil for a moment. And we're gonna draw the numbers. To the numbers, I want to start here with the number 2, doing a curve, and it's gonna connect with the head. I want to imagine this curve goes in behind the baby, going down here, and now connecting to the baby again. Now here we're gonna leave a finger space, and we're gonna do again a number 2 around the ear, kind of like the same level here. I want to start doing a curve, come down, and now going to the right. Now let's leave another finger space right here, a finger space right up here too, and we're gonna do the number 3 like this, and we're gonna stop before we touch the number 2. Okay, so the baby is representing the 0, 20, 23. Okay, now let's switch to marker again. And what we're gonna do is going around these pencil lines. So I'm gonna start here doing a line. Now I'm gonna go over here, going around the pencil line, connecting with the baby. The same here, and I'm gonna skip the ear, going around. And now we're gonna connect with the legs of the baby. And here in the middle, we're gonna do a triangle shape. Okay, I want to continue doing the same thing with the 2 other numbers. This part is gonna fast forward, but remember you can stop the video until this part is done. Okay, now that we finished the numbers, let's erase the pencil lines. And there, that's it. We finished this lettering of 2023 to celebrate the end of the year. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out now with the colors. I choose yellow for the numbers. You can change that color. I leave some white space just to give it a little bit more volume or more 3D effect. And then I went with a darker yellow around just to the edges, just to make it look more 3D. I add some fireworks in the background, just doing some lines with different colors. You can add way more stuff in the back or change it for balloons or for something else. You can actually add a little bit of shadow here underneath the numbers and the baby, and the same thing up here just to make the colors pop. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. Happy New Year!